To create an epic in Jira 2025, start by logging into your Jira account and navigating to the project where you want to create the epic. An epic is a high-level requirement that consists of multiple user stories and is used to track large pieces of work that span across multiple sprints. First, click on the Issues tab and then select Epics from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Epics page where you can view all existing epics in your project. To create a new epic, click on the Create Epic button. Enter a summary and description for your epic, providing as much detail as possible about the work that needs to be done. The summary should be a brief one-sentence description of the epic, while the description should provide more context and information about the requirement. Next, assign the epic to a specific project and component, and set the epic's status to To-Do. You can also assign the epic to a specific team or individual, and set a due date for when the epic should be completed. Once you have entered all the necessary information, click on the Create button to create the epic. Your epic will now be displayed on the Epics page, where you can view its details and track its progress. To link user stories to your epic, navigate to the user story issue and click on the Epic Link field. Select the epic you want to link the user story to, and the user story will be added to the epic. You can view all user stories linked to an epic by navigating to the Epics Details page. Best practices for creating epics in Jira include keeping the epic's summary and description concise and clear, regularly updating the epic's status and due date, and ensuring that all user stories linked to the epic are relevant and necessary to complete the epic. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively create and manage epics in Jira 2025 and track large pieces of work across multiple sprints. This will help you to better organize and prioritize your work, and ensure that your team is working towards the same goals.